Are you tired of spending hours, and I mean hours, trying to design emails that still don't look quite right? Well, in this explainer, we're going to show you how to create absolutely stunning, on-brand email templates in just minutes, all thanks to the power of AI and a platform called Mailmodo. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let's be real for a second. We have all been there. You get this amazing idea for a campaign, but then you're stuck. Stuck in that never-ending loop of designing, tweaking, and just waiting for approvals. So I have to ask, is manual email design slowing your team down? If you're anything like me, the answer is a big, resounding yes.
And you're definitely not alone in this. It's this super frustrating cycle, right? You're wasting time, the branding starts to look a little different from one email to the next, and you're always relying on designers, all while you're juggling deadlines and, of course, starting from scratch every single time. Honestly, it's a recipe for burnout.
So what do we even mean by on-brand? Well, think of it like your brand's unique signature. It's not just about looking good, it's about being instantly recognizable. It's that perfect mix of your colors, your fonts, your layout, and your tone of voice that just screams, "This is us," every single time. That's the gold standard we're all aiming for.
So how do you hit that gold standard without pulling your hair out? Well, the great news is you don't have to. There is a smarter, faster, and way easier way to get this done. And that's exactly what we're about to jump into.
So are you ready to say goodbye to all that manual work? I thought so. Meet Mailmodo's AI generator. This is pretty much the secret weapon that's going to completely change your email workflow and help you create incredible on-brand emails in a tiny fraction of the time.
Okay, just imagine this for a second. You type in a simple sentence, a single prompt, and like magic, a beautiful, perfectly on-brand email template just appears on your screen. No design skills needed, no endless back and forth, just instant results. That's the real power we're talking about here.
I know, it sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, let me actually show you just how easy this is. We're going to walk through the whole thing, step by step, and you'll see for yourself how this can totally transform your email game.
It's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you just tell the AI what you're thinking. Second, you polish up the details and apply your brand's unique touch. And third, you make any last-minute tweaks you want in the editor. Seriously, it's that simple.
So step 1, just describe what you want. All you got to do is tell the AI your goal in plain English. You could type something like, draft a welcome email for new subscribers, make the tone friendly and excited, and throw in a 10% discount code. Done.
But check this out, it gets even better. You can give the AI more context to work with. Just drop in a link to, say, a blog post or upload a document, and the AI will use that info to make your email even more relevant. It's kind of like having your own personal copywriter on standby.
All right, step 2 is where you make it yours. The AI gives you an awesome starting point, but you are always in the driver's seat. You can easily go in and tweak the content, adjust the tone, and just fine-tune everything to perfectly match your brand's personality.
And now for the magic trick. Once you have your brand kit all set up, your logos, colors, fonts, you just click one button and poof, your entire email is instantly transformed with your brand's identity. It is a total game changer.
And finally, we've got the finishing touches. The AI has done all the heavy lifting, but you still have complete control. You can jump into Mailmodo's super easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor and make any final adjustments you want. And no, you never have to touch a single line of code.
This is really where you can let your creativity run wild. You can play around with colors and fonts, write that perfect line of copy, and swap in your own images. Plus, with reusable blocks like headers and footers, you can make sure every email is perfectly consistent, top to bottom.
So what does this all actually mean for you as a marketer? Well, it's not just about saving a bit of time. It's about fundamentally changing how you create emails. This is a huge leap forward, and here's why.
It's like the difference between walking and flying. The old way is that slow, manual journey where it's easy to get off track. The Mailmodo way, that's a direct flight to your destination first class. It's faster, it's consistent, and frankly, it's just a whole lot more fun.
So what's the bottom line here? It's really simple. Brand consistency whenever you need it. No more guesswork, no more close enough. Just perfect on-brand emails every single time. It's like having a little brand guardian angel watching over your shoulder.
This quote just hits the nail on the head. In today's world, AI isn't some luxury anymore. It's a necessity. If you want to scale your email marketing but you're not willing to sacrifice quality, and who is, then you need a tool like this. It's really as simple as that.
So what are you waiting for? Your competitors are probably already using AI to get an edge. Don't get left in the dust.
Head over to mailmodo.com right now and see for yourself how you can create beautiful, on-brand emails in minutes. You can try it for free or book a demo today. You will not regret it.